She was crying. Good morning. Still pregnant.
Still pregnant.
40 weeks and 1 day today. Overdue today.
Day 365. Still pregnant. 365.
So at 10, pupunta yung midwife ko. And we will talk about induction. So I will book the earliest we can get. Kung pwede tonight, guys. Or bukas. We'll see.
Hindi pwede ngayon kasi busy si Dan.
Busy si Dan. Ang dami niyang appointments. Ang aga niya umalis.
Sabi pa niya, tomorrow is not a good day for me. Wow.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Ako na talaga. Ang buntis pa din. Kukontrak siya kagabi pero nawala. Pag nagpahinga ka, pag natulog ko, nawala mo. Ay, yung cookies, galing yan New Zealand. May nagpadala. Diretso sa kusina ang dalawa. Ang aga-aga.
Nag-think ko ganyan. Tama-tama kong 6.
Yeah.
Nagluto ako sa iyo para makakaon.
Sa'yo, ha, 6.
Ito, mapalik.
Sa'yo,
Hindi man yun nagbe-breakfast.
Kapuya yung mga Tagalog nito.
Tusino ba? Tusino. Para ugma.
Para
ugma.
Magkuhan nito, mag-grocery meron. Kailangan kang sabaw?
Yes, please.
Sabaw lang, gusto ako nga sabaw lang ang pamalitan.
Yeah.
Pero dili lang ka ng
Pero depende if you're still here for dinner.
Kaya ka munggoste. Musok ito mong tiil.
Ayaw raw eh. Kanaray nyo. Magtatapa tayo, guys. Diba? Yummers. Tapa and egg.
Nag-expect ko karong buntag, wala si ate.
Ngi. Relax lang ko dito. May nagluluto, may nagpe-prepare ng kape, tulog pa ang kids. Ang tagal umakyat. Ano na yun? 12:30?
Kubog sa tayo. Sige mo magkub na.
Kung hindi ko yun kinuha dito sa baba, hindi aakyat yung dalawa. Pagbaba ko, naka-iPad si Arlo. Laki-laki na iPad. Si Ayla naka-phone. Si Ayla alam na niya. Surrender agad. Si Arlo yung nagwala. Pag akyat ni Arlo, Tita Michelle's iPad! Antok na yun. Mga 10 minutes din. Ano? Oh yeah.
So the stream?
Yes, for sparkling water.
For Indie?
After nung sa last day sa Mildura, di ba sparkling water tong sa cafe? Gimingaw mo sparkling water?
Sige, bitaw kong ingay ko. Sige na, ikaw magpagod ka ng inana. Soda stream, yung kape, may bit-bit sa sakyanan.
Oh yeah. Hinatag ng Sharon. First year na ako doon, tagaan ko yung Christmas present.
Karoon man yung nagawas?
Dili dyan ako siya gigawas kaya di man ganahan si Dan. Ako rin may ganahan. Katulaging after sa Mildura, nilabas ko.
Ka-realize mo nga.
Sabi ko, my gosh, I miss sparkling water. So, after sa cafe, nag-stop me sa petrol station. Sparkling water na yung mga pinagbibili ko. Ay, nako, labas na, be.
Hindi.
Ano na?
Hindi.
Uy, knock. Who's there?
Hindi, 1 year na nila.
May eviction notice ka na, day. Ano na? Ano man to siya? Urong-sulong ba? Urong-sulong ka, be?
Hindi, urong.
Kagabi, sus, pag ganon pa ako, move, kasi nagko-contract. Wala eh. Pag upo, paghiga, nawawala. Relax din siya. Good morning, my love. It's okay. Why? Hindi still here, my love. Look. Ay, baby, yeah. Arlo's still sleeping. Midwife's gonna come today, okay? Yeah, they will check Indy again. Yeah. Baby. Okay. Yeah. Mama's belly is really big. Look at you, you're struggling. You can't even have Mama properly. Sit on Mama's lap like that. Tita Rich is there. Come say good morning. In the pantry. Come on!
Bakit bigyan ng hotdog nila?
You see? do you want?
Si mo siya na siya magpalagot. Basta ka nasapot pa ang bata ba?
Midwife's gonna come, Baba. You're gonna hear Indy's heartbeat again? Uh-oh.
Oh.
That's good. Arlo's awake. Come on.
That's the other heartbeat.
Down. Aray. At least you guys are awake before they hear.
Zombie.
11:01. Ay, naku guys. Tapos na yung aking midwife appointment. She did membrane sweep. You want Yakult? Ask Tita Rich. Ang bango-bango ng kanilang pagkain habang may midwife appointment ako kanina.
Oh, sorry, ate.
Kain tayo. Beef tapa. With egg. Ang sakit-sakit na ano ko dito.
Very good.
Sana mag-ano.
Welcome.
Mamaya na nga. Kain muna ako.
Dito na to, Tibi.
Nahihilo. Ayun. Nahihilo na ako na.
Si Ayla, 1.5 hot dogs with rice.
Oh, nice, Baba. Well done.
Here, Ayla.
Nakapag-ano pa si Inday, fried rice.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Kain tayo. Baka lumabas na si Inday maya lang. Char. Ginano niya yung aking ano. Oh.
Aking color?
Aking color. Sakit-sakit ng aking color, guys. Nilagyan ko na lang ng ice yung aking kape kasi ang lamig-lamig na. Kain tayo, guys. Ang sarap ng ating ano. Brunch. I want you to stay. Oh my gosh, ako na talagang overdue. Lami ang inom sa mga kids. Alright guys, tapos na ako kumain. Nag-relax ako kanina kasi ang sakit ng likod ko. Yung ginawa ng midwife is, tawag is membrane sweep. Dito, sasabi niya, you can perform it kapag nag-reach na ng 40 weeks yung pasyente. Yun yung sabi niya. But I saw online na some of them performed it at 39 weeks. Anyway, yung ginagawa is, pinapasok yung fingers, TMI, tapos nagawa niya yung ganyan. Just look it up. It's membrane sweep. Para ma-separate yung membrane sac ng bata from the uterine wall. Nakaka-increase daw siya ng prostaglandins which induces labor naturally. So yun yung ginawa niya sa akin. And yeah, masakit siya. Very uncomfortable siya when she was doing it. But mas masakit actually siya after na. So feeling ko, ito na yun. I'm not contracting, but my back hurts really bad. Tapos kanina parang hindi ako makatayo kasi masakit talaga yung dito ko. Parang kinukurot yung lower back ko. So hopefully, maano niya yung labor ko. Kasi naka-schedule ako for induction sa Sunday. Pero sabi niya, if I get induced, hindi yung like may balloon catheter talaga. Kasi na ako eh. May progress na yung ano ko. Yung baby, like nung sabi niya nga nung pag membrane sweep niya kanina na feel na niya yung ulo ni Indy, guys. Sabi niya I can feel the head. So hopefully yung membrane sweep na ginawa niya kanina will help. So sabi niya your body is doing it, like alam mo yun, bumababa si baby, her head is still there. It's all doing its thing. Hindi lang talaga siguro pa siya ready lumabas, but the progress is there. And yeah, baka hindi pa lang talaga siya ready, but wala namang like anything concerning na nangyayari dun. She's very happy there. Her heart rate is really good. And yeah, na-feel na niya yung head. So she's just there, chilling. But yeah, if hindi ma-happen yung natural labor before ng Sunday, actually hindi pa confirmed yung Sunday, ipa-pass niya pa yung form, tapos kapag na-approve nila, kasi depende daw sa scheduling and all that, pag na-approve nila, so i-induce ako sa Sunday. But yung induction ko is pretty much just breaking my water, sabi niya. Kasi hindi ko na daw kailangan ng balloon catheter because again, hindi ko alam kung ano yung balloon catheter. Yun lang yung sinabi niya. So maybe that's what you use to induce labor kung sobrang ano ka na siguro, past your due date ka na siguro, tapos wala pa talagang progress ng labor. Ako kasi meron na talagang progress talaga, like baba na siya, yun nga. Yeah, yung gagawin lang daw sa akin is i-break lang yung water ko. And kung hindi yun makatulong, lagyan daw ako ng yung oxytocin na through IV. Pero hindi na daw ako dadaan sa like balloon catheter because again, she's doing its thing. Pero may nafe-feel na akong sakit dito. Hindi pa lang siya nagko-contract. I can feel that it's close, but then again, I've been feeling that for weeks now. So we will see. Kasi sabi niya, usually yung induction date is 7 days after ng due date mo. But yung Sunday is, ano pa lang yun, 40 days and 5 days pa lang ako nun. But sabi niya, I will try because parang confident na din siya nalalabas si baby before nun. Kasi nga, na-feel na nga niya yung ulo. Hopefully, it happens very soon. Hindi pa natin alam. But I'm ready for you, my love. So if my water breaks anytime, I can go to the hospital anytime. But wala pa hindi pa na-break yung water. Oh my gosh. Do you want Indy to come out today? No? Oh my gosh, I feel like she's gonna come out. Ako lang mag-isa, guys. Nandito yung dalawa. Pina-iPad ko si Arlo kasi hindi ko kaya.
I'm not watching iPad.
You're not watching iPad?
No.
I know you're not. Do you wanna watch my phone?
No, no, iPad.
Bait-bait ni Ayla. Nag-drawing lang siya kanina.
What's my iPad?
In Daddy's closet? In the drawer?
No.
Huh?
Why?
I just put it there. So, do you wanna open it and get it?
Yeah.
In the long one. Oh my gosh. That was the first contraction na masakit. So, kanina, hindi siya nagko-contract pero masakit siya. This is after, ilang oras na after the membrane sweep. So, she did the membrane sweep around 10:20, 10:25.
Say, mommy.
Alright, baby. And si Miss at saka si Michelle, nag-grocery shopping, guys. Aray.
Tito it.
Aray.
And Tito it.
Yeah. Nag-grocery shopping. Eh, wala silang wala silang car seat. Ipapadala ko sana yung car ko. Yung old car ko ba? Kasi nandito pa yung old car ko eh. Kaya lang, nakatanggal na pala yung car seat. Hindi na naka-install ng
Old car.
maayos. They are in their car. Kasi dalhin na sana nila si Ayla. Ipapadala ko sana si Ayla. Masakit siya, guys. Kahit na hindi siya nagko-contract, masakit siya. Kasi siguro, yun nga, na-separate yung
Some hope. Do you want
oh my gosh. Mas masakit yung after the sweep kaysa sa, like, nung ginagawa niya yung sweep mismo. Pero, depende din. Kasi, mataas yung pain tolerance ko eh. When she was doing it, it was uncomfortable because obviously her fingers were there. But, hindi siya like kasing sakit nitong nararamdaman ko ngayon. But you know what? It's good. Kasi ito yung sakit na hinihintay ko. Kasi nga, di ba, ilang weeks na siya nagko-contract lang siya. Pero walang sakit. Ngayon, isang beses pa lang na nag-contract siya na masakit talaga yung contraction. So, sana tuloy-tuloy. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Kapag nawawala yung sakit, naglalakad-lakad ako. Pero kapag masakit, hindi kaya maglakad, sis. Sana lumabas siya today. First time ko ma-experience yung membrane sweep na nakikita-kita ko na siya kasi ang daming naglalabasan sa FYP ng TikTok ko about pregnancy, about labor, about naturally inducing labor kasi siguro yun yung naririnig ng phone ko, so yun yung lumalabas. Kaya kalma lang ako eh, kasi ang dami kong nakikita na same experience nung akin. It's good for me kasi I'm an overall positive person. Na kapag may nakita ako na same experience sa akin, okay na yun, enough na yun sa akin na hindi pala abnormal yung akin. It happens to a lot of moms as well. So, every time I scroll through my TikTok, nakikita ko, oh, same kami na experience, we're fine. And yeah, nakikita ko yung membrane sweep, which last 2 pregnancies, I didn't even know about it at all. Ngayon lang. And yeah, my midwife did it to me today. So, it was my first time experiencing that. Because again, these two went before their due dates. I didn't have to experience all this at all. So, first time to. And masakit siya, sis. Anyway, higa-higa lang kami. Tapos kapag okay na, hindi na siya ganun kasakit, lakad-lakad na naman ako. Alo, down. Sit down, please. Sit down properly. Wait. Tita Rich is getting it.
Sit first.
Say please.
Okay.
Hihintay ng surprise yung dalawa.
Ayaw mong surprise na kita.
Surprise, eh. Ayan.
Si Arlo.
Bilisan natin yung unboxing kay... Ano na?
Sabi mo kung sa'yo surprise mo.
Oh. Ang saya-saya nila pag open nila ng door. Para naman talaga ang tagal na wala. Hala! What's that? What's that?
You get one. You get one.
What is it? Ooh!
Open. Wait.
Please.
Let me try.
Naka-please na si Arlo.
Yan ang mataga.
Please.
Here you go. Di ba ni, ano, di ba?
Jelly.
Here you go. A jelly one.
You have to open it.
One.
Chocolate.
Oy.
Yeah, lami na.
As in. Is it good?
Murag chocomal. Ampay kay sa Arlo. Nawang na.
Kasi na good.
Ito lang yung request ko eh. Asa na yung akin? Watermelon.
Jelly.
Don't wait.
Watermelon egg.
Ano?
Mga batang kanina pa nag-aantay para mapunta sa playground. Tapos parang uulan pa.
Yeah, kaya nga. Kaunsan ko anak, B. Kain din ako dyan. Surprise!
Wala siyang nakita.
But why may turtle chips? Unboxing tayo.
Meron pa tayong turtle chips doon. Oh.
Kasi ito ako mango. Ato na try me.
Soft pala to.
Lane.
Ito lang.
Atong drinks.
Yummy ko na tuwan. Ang gula. Yummy, Alo? What do you say to tita?
Wait, what did you say?
Thank you. Paisimod.
Huh? You don't like it? You don't have to eat it, Tara. She doesn't like the jelly.
Sige na sa jelly.
You don't like the jelly?
Ato na ibutan sa ref day. Para lamig. Yung drink namin is watermelon.
Watermelon, okay. Thank you.
And then, akin blueberry. First time natin i-try blueberry. Ano itong sa'yo, Day?
Mangga.
Mangga. Ito, sige. You like
Did
snake?
she eat the ano? Do you like this or no?
Wala.
Yeah, ayaw mo.
Di, kaya siya ganang chocolate, di ay?
Feeling ko sa texture, ano kasi?
Soft?
Yeah.
We will walk now.
Uulan ba?
Murag mo ulan. Ano ganito maglakaw ka?
Uulan,
Mas
27 minutes.
Ayaw na lang, Day. Kaya mo sa akong gifing. Kaya maglakaw rin ka. Tinapa kay turon?
Yes.
Magturon ta.
Ano?
Snacks.
Yeah.
Sige, magturon ta, Day. Ako na kay snacks. Unya, na kayo lang.
Niabutangan ni mong kuan.
Sige ka na alam dito.
Kay plain naman akong turon. Ganahan mo na caramel. Wala.
Pwede na yan. Kuan na ulit ka na.
Maple syrup na ako. Kay ako mukha ang nagturon. Plain naman. Tinola for Dindin. Thank you, Inday. Ito yung kay Dan. Puro mga drumstick.
Why is it pink?
Right.
I think the nurses know they're doing it. I reckon they did that. So they did it so you come early, didn't they? But they probably... I reckon they know you'll come early.
Huh?
I reckon the nurses know you come early, the midwife.
Come early, what do you mean?
Like, you won't... you won't go till... Sunday? Is it Sunday?
Oh, thank you, Inday.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. Good eating, guys. Hot dog. Rice.
This is a normal part of the animal?
It's lean. It's lean. Normal part of animal.
Nothing from
Not
the
the asshole or
inside.
anything,
Not
no?
from the inside.
It's the tongue. Bulbugalon, dudong.
Kung sana, Day? Sakit na. finished the hot dog. Do you want more? Hot dog?
There's more, boy.
Rice. Yeah, eat rice. Good boy.
Lagyan basta mainit pa ang
Yes,
sabaw.
please. Thank you, ate. Use the spoon, Max. Spoon.
Mas lami if na lemon te.
Ayan. Lemon na? O patis?
Yeah.
Oh, that's yours, Malama.
Yeah.
I told you.
They were gonna go to the park today, but that didn't happen because that's yours.
Thank you.
Drizzled.
It was, yeah. Well, the weather app says raining, but
Yeah.
it didn't look like it wasn't heavy, but still not good to go out. You don't want to get rained on.
We can try again tomorrow.
Lamig kayo eh.
Lahat na naglasa.
Yeah, oo, lahat siya lasa na siya lasang paan, alugbati.
Thank you very much.
What do you guys do at Christmas time? Are you come back home or working or you guys work, don't you?
Update 9:17 na ng gabi. And kapag nagko-contract ako, masakit na siya pero hindi same nung like period pain. Masakit yung tiyan ko. Yeah. So at least may sakit na. But yeah, malayo pa yung contractions. Hindi pa siya like every 30 minutes. Pero yung ulo ko masakit. Napatulog ko na yung mga bata kasi may school si Ayla bukas. So if hindi mo progress yung labor ko tonight, then Ayla's gonna go to school tomorrow. But yeah, yun yung vlog. Salamat guys sa panonood. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you.